much Pollination Project for providing us opportunity for the noble cause. Hi sir, myself Vijay Dabi from Animal Life Care India. I have been rescuing injured animals, birds since last 13 years. I have also snatched more than 50 snacks during 13 years. Actually, we are the urgent needed of the fund for the rescuing injured animals and birds. Kindly do need full action in this regarding.